This Mediterranean butter is creamy, flavorful, and incredibly easy to make, perfect on warm bread, grilled vegetables, fish or meat, and ready in just a few minutes. Let's go! I know we use more olive oil than butter in Mediterranean cooking, but sometimes it's good to use butter, and we are going to infuse it. And I start with the clove of garlic. I want to chop it. And of course, you've got all the ingredients into the description below. I put it into a mortar. I add a few drops of olive oil, and then I want to make a garlic paste. I put it into a large mixing bowl. Yeah, I know I love garlic. And then I take the softened butter. Yeah, just like that. Now I take a few black olives and I want to chop them as finely as possible, and it's very important to do it this way. A quick clean, and here we go again with the basil. We chop it too. I add the oregano, or thyme or rosemary, you choose, a little black pepper. I zest the lemon. Boom. Then I keep whisking. I took a rubber spatula because it's very smooth. I take the plastic now and I put it right here. Yeah, we take everything. And then we want to roll it this way. You want to chase the air as much as possible. You can put it into a jar as well, but I prefer this way because the butter is going to be more compact. And of course, you put it into the fridge. And then it's ready. Of course, you can keep it 1 week, but in real life, you'll keep it 2 days maximum. Up, final touch. Yeah, it looks like foie gras. Yeah, sorry for my face, you don't see my eyes, but you can see my smile. Thanks for watching, and if you want more simple Mediterranean recipes like this one, then subscribe to the channel and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!